I'm pretty sure she's feeling the music that I picked today.
Hello, I'm Joe.
And I'm Jessica.
Years back, we set out to find a lifestyle that allowed us to live comfortably, homeschool our 3 children, and make a life and legacy we would be proud of.
Reselling liquidated goods both online and locally through our bin store was the vehicle that allowed us to do just that.
It's hard work, it's constantly changing, but we wouldn't trade it for the world.
Here's the story of how our small business runs in the midst of all the challenges life throws at us.
As always, thank you for stopping by, and come on in.
Hey everybody, welcome to another Family Flips unboxing, and I am so excited about this one.
Yeah. So this is it's a new person, new place. It's us. A lot of you have asked for a really long time if y'all could buy mystery boxes, if we would make them, especially since we opened up the store. There's a lot of people who have wanted to buy stuff from us, but they couldn't come physically shop. So we thought maybe we can bring our store to you through these boxes.
Now, I do want to be really, really clear. If you are a reseller and you are looking to find something that you can buy at low cost and sell for really high margins, this is not the mystery box for you. Now, there is decent stuff in here. These are 3 random mystery boxes that we've pulled from the stock of boxes that we created to give you an idea of what you might find. So these are going to be everyday items. They're going to be interesting items. They're going to be cool items, things that you might use or you know somebody who might use. But really the thing is about this is we wanted to bring the joy of the treasure hunt to you who cannot come to our store with us. So
yeah,
you guys want to jump in?
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm ready. So this is one of our small mystery boxes that we had packed with our first round of orders, and we pulled it to unbox with you. Now this one is $54.99 on the website. You can see that down in the description. There's about 7 items in here. We're gonna price some of these, and we're gonna see, you know, what you can expect to find, what condition they're gonna be in, so that you know, well, you won't know exactly what you're getting, but the type of items that you're getting. So I'm so excited. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, you packed this one because I didn't pack this one. All right.
So I'm filming you because, you know, it's more, you're more surprised if it's you and versus me.
Yep. All right. Let's see. The first thing we've got is, does it? Oh, I was hoping it would light.
Yeah.
But it's still very cute. Little clutch purse with a purple inside.
I think it's even got a price tag on, like $19 or something.
$18.99. It says flip sequins, but when I, oh, okay, it does. It flips to white.
Oh, neato.
So it can be silver or white.
Right.
So fancy. All right, so we've got that. We've got a moss and stone steel kettle, which I drink a lot of tea, so I like a good kettle. Oh, I thought it was going to be red. Why did I think it was red?
It's
it's silver. It's silver on this.
Now, we can't test every item, but we do go through and we look for visible, like if it's broken or not, if it looks broken and such, because we don't want to sell y'all a bunch of broken junk. That's not what we're trying to do.
Right, but you know, if we think it might be broken, of course we're not going to put it in the box. But part of liquidation is you really don't know until you fully test an item, and we just don't have the means, unless you want to pay $100 a box, for us to be able to test everything. But this looks like in great condition. Yeah. I would be surprised if
I think that was like almost $30. I think for it. It's up to you.
$25.99. It's a $25.99 kettle there. Kettle. All right.
The average retail price on the whole box is between $140 to $180.
Clips. What are these clips for?
They're like bungee straps and clips and stuff.
Camping and trucks. So it's got the bungee cables and all the little clips that hold it to whatever you're tying it to.
Yep.
And then I've got, oh, is this a drone?
It's a little big flying drone.
Yeah. It's a little bitty drone.
And that's like 35, 40 bucks.
Yeah, I don't have a UPC code for this one, but.
I mean, I scanned it and it brought up lots of different ones, but I did find that one. It's like between $35 and $40. I don't remember the exact price.
And then we've got Anybody got cute little girls that want to play, or little boys if they like dolls? This one's cute. She's so cute. Look at her. I think it's got other stuff inside, but it's sealed, so that's awesome.
Yep.
And then this is a hydrating eye cream. Do I need a hydrating eye cream? I might need a hydrating eye cream.
Whoever buys this box may not have that anymore.
No. I'll get my own. I won't take from you. Yes, you can.
That's an electric can opener. $35.99, I think,
it's
on
sealed.
Amazon.
I don't want to open it.
Yep.
It's sealed, so I might be able to open it from the bottom without damaging but I won't do it because it looks unopened. Ooh, it's fancy looking.
Yeah.
There you go, $35.99. So that must be a really nice little can opener. Yes, you can open a can. And so that's 7 items. So for $54.99, you can get all of these items. Average retail value somewhere between $120 to $180, somewhere around there. And we do our very best to make sure that it's good quality items. We're not going to be giving you phone cases and little, disposable masks and things like that. We want to give you something that you'll remember, something that you can use, and something that you will love.
You ready?
This is box number 2. This one looks different.
Yep. First off, we got some bath bombs. I don't know who, everybody can use some bath bombs. So, got a little kid's camera right here. Waterproof camera too. It's summertime. If you got kids, grandkids, neighborhood kids, sit around and play with this. That's entertainment for hours. And then we've got a rotating charging station. Right?
Wait, why does it rotate?
I don't know exactly 360 degrees, I have no idea, but it's intelligent. It's smart. That's why it can do it, babe. Don't question the intelligent thing.
I don't understand why it needs to rotate.
I'm not sure, but here it is right there.
So you can put headphones on it and just watch it spin?
I guess so. It's 27 bucks.
All right.
Or if you just put the stuff on it as you're charging it.
Listen, that's not something that I would necessarily buy, but I would definitely use it if it came in a mystery box.
We got a little head scratcher and back scratcher combo for all those hard to reach places.
Ooh.
I don't know if I'm able to get that back in the box. No clue. Next up, we got this universal multi-function little adapter thing.
Huh?
Well, a lot of times, if you're trying to unscrew that bolt and you've got all these different size sockets, right? This is like a one-size-fits-all type adjustment thing. You see all the little things in there? So as you put the bolt in there, no matter the size, you can unscrew it, and it's got the little adapter piece right there.
Don't try and blow on that one like a whistle, like you did with that mini screwdriver a couple unboxings.
I don't know why you got to bring up old stuff. You're not funny. I did. I thought it was a whistle. It was silver, like a little dog whistle.
Everybody on YouTube thought it was great.
Has that one even out yet?
Yeah.
Oh, it is out. Yes. Got a little. It's a vinegar and oil bottle.
Oh.
Yeah. So if you're cooking with the EVOO, then you can put this in there. Or you can just do oil and vinegar type stuff.
What's that one guy that goes bam when he drops the salt?
Oh, that guy?
Emerald?
I don't know about bam. I thought you were talking about the one guy. What's his name? I don't know.
I can't remember his name for the
He's from Turkey. He's got the long hair. He does the meats and all kinds of stuff. But he's not. We have the meats Arby guy. He's the... I forget his name. Last but not least, we have a sink organizer.
Nice.
Yep. And this one, I liked it. If we didn't have one, I would want it already. I'm sorry, whoever's about to open this after me.
Doing this.
I know.
Oh, that was nice.
Well, there we go.
That was nicer.
I know, it is. It's brand new.
Yep.
Got a little roll-out drawer, all that stuff. Put your sponges, hang your stuff up there. All of it organized, nice and neat.
Just.
So whoever gets this one and you watch the unboxing, just know that you can And we may end up switching the items around because, I don't know, part of the thrill of this unboxing is like unboxing and not knowing what you're going to get. And if you've already watched us unbox it, it may not be surprising or not. I don't know.
So maybe we'll switch them around.
Yeah.
Maybe we won't.
Yeah.
That would make it a surprise in itself.
Or maybe we sell these boxes, then people already have enjoyed the unboxing, and then they see that we unboxed and like, ooh, I got the box that they unboxed on YouTube, as seen on TV items.
Or as seen on your phone, depending on how you're watching it.
Exactly.
Alright guys, so that was a super fun unboxing, very exciting because we were able to build these boxes ourselves, so that was super cool. We made these in mind for those of you who can't come to the bin store, maybe you live far away, but you want that joy of unboxing something, not knowing what it is, but we also wanted to take care of you and your investment, so hopefully these are items that you will enjoy, that you know somebody who will enjoy them, so it's not a bunch of junk that you're eventually going to have to throw away anyway.
Right, so if you're interested in buying them, you can visit our website, thefamilyflips.com. There's also a link down in the description. If you're outside the United States and you're wanting to purchase these, we don't have international shipping set up yet, but we still want to be able to help you out. So send us an email. There's a link down in the description for that as well. And we will work something out for you as we're working out the shipping international type stuff.
We hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing as much as we were thrilled to film it. And we'll see you guys next time.
Peace.